Hi, so today we're going to do a quick test to explain how to use in, on and at as prepositions for time and place. All you have to do is choose the correct answer. Is it in, on or at?
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
In is used with the biggest, the largest times and places, and at is used with the smallest or the shortest.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
This means that we're going to use in with the longer periods of time. So we say in the year, in the month, actually in the century.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So for example, in 2019, in August and in the 21st century.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
We use in for the biggest places, the largest places. So we're going to say in the country, in the province, in the city, and in the area.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
I live in Thailand. I stay in Bangkok.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
We use on with some more specific times. So we're going to say on the day or on the date.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So how do we use on for places? The most common usage is when we use on for big roads or big streets.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's look at using at for the most specific times and places. We do say at the time, so at 5:30 p.m. or at 5:30.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
I live at number 123 Sukhumvit Road. If you can't find it, it's at the junction of Sukhumvit Road and Ramaphore Road.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So although we say on the day, we normally say in the morning or in the afternoon or in the evening and at night.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
And whilst British English speakers like me say at the weekend, American speakers usually say on the weekend.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
We also use on for large public vehicles. For example, we say on the plane or on the train or on the bus or on the boat.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, zero.
But for smaller enclosed spaces, we usually use in. So I came to work in a taxi or in my car.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
And when we're talking about a motorbike or a cycle, we normally say I went on a motorbike or on a bicycle.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
It might help to think of on as the word we use for surfaces. So I live on the 11th floor. The lamp is on the table.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Finally, we also use on with communications. For example, there was a great program on TV last night. Or I listened to a comedy show on the radio yesterday. Or even I saw some great videos on YouTube.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
We also use on for other forms of communication, such as I'm working on the computer, or I'm speaking on the telephone.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
And why don't you leave a nice comment in the comments box as well? I'll see you very soon for another lesson on YouTube. Until then, everyone, thank you for watching. Bye bye.